Hello everyone, it's Donna from Inspired to Create Facebook group, Shiny Treasure Designs Etsy shop, and Donna Bell on YouTube. And I have finished. The only thing I have left to make now is the card to go with all of this, and I will do that tomorrow, but let me show you. I just finished my little heart ornament. And I made it like a little pillow because she sews. So she can use it as a pin cushion or she can hang it, whichever she chooses. So we have that. We have our banner. We have our altered heart box, which I've turned into an embellishment box. We have our flip book. We have our tassel, and I made a long one. And the banner pennant. So I hope Marcia likes it all. Can't wait for her to get it. I will be mailing it out this week, hopefully. That's my plan. And there we have it. I have her name here. It says Marcia. Create here. Inspire here. And it all matches. And she likes the pinks, creams, and tans. And that's what I went with. And I think she will be happy with all of it. At least I hope so. So God bless. Thanks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. The heart, I made this with one of the little kits in my shop, in my Etsy shop, Shiny Treasure Designs. It is a pillow, but it also has a pocket here where where she can tuck something. I can make a tag and put down in there, which is what I will probably do, or a little card, Valentine or something like that, and tuck it down in there. But she can hang this as well if she wants to. I didn't get my lace. I thought I had it pinned in place really good, and evidently I did not get that pulled close enough right there, but it still looks good. It's all good. I just love the way it all came out. And yeah, I've had so much fun making this, and now I'm going to have to make some for myself. I've loved it so. I love it all so much. I'm going to have to make myself one. So God bless, and I thank y'all for watching, and happy swapping. Come on over to Inspired to Create if you like to participate in swaps, or you like to see crafts and make crafts and spend time with people that make crafts. Just come on over and join us. So God bless, thanks, and have a good day. Bye-bye.